Phonics lesson 125. This morning we have a new special sound. Thank you, Mr. Frog, for holding the special sound for us. If you'll notice today, our special sound has 3 letters, S-P-L. S-P-L says spool, like in the word splash, splash. All right, let's look at the back of our card and see if we can read these words. All right, let me get up a little closer. Split. This is like a compound word. Splendid, splendid. Splat, splint. Let's say them more quickly now that we know that SPL says spool. Split, splendid, splat, splint. What's a splint? A splint is something they put on you, like if you broke your leg or you broke your arm, it's something they put on there to hold the bone in place. Splint, splint. All right, let's look up here at the board. Mr. Frog, if you'll hold that for us. Let's look up here at the board. We have our special sound SPL in some words, and let's see if we can circle the special sound, mark the vowels, and read the words more quickly. So we circle SPL. We have one vowel, A. We mark it with a smiley because it's a short sound. And it says splat, splat. All right? Let's look at this one. Circle SPL, our special sound. One vowel, I, makes us happy. Short sound. And then we have the NT sound. Splint, splint. Let's read these 2 words more quickly. Splat, splint. Very good. Y'all are getting so good at reading by now. Don't need much help from Miss Ellie anymore. All right. Mom, I need you to go to our letters and sounds workbook and get out page 147, which is for lesson 125. All right. This would be your seat work today, guys. So we're just going to go over the directions. All right. Put your name on the top. Right here, you're going to look at the picture and you're going to circle the special sound you hear at the beginning of each word. The first one they have done for you, it's clown. You hear cl, clown, CL, so they circled the CL. Listen as Miss Ellie tells you these words, and then you will know which special sound to circle. Flashlight, glass, blanket, cloud, flower, plane, flag, clock. Circle the special sound you hear at the beginning of each of those words. Down here, you're going to mark the vowels and read the words. Mark the vowels and read the words. All right? Turn your paper over to the next side. Over here, you're going to fill in the bubble under the picture that has the special sound right here in it. So you have stamp and you have tree. Which one of those says st, stamp, tree? Stamp, that's right, so you fill in the bubble under the stamp. And you're going to do that for each of these other sounds, all right? This down here is a bowl of fruit, so don't get that mixed up, all right? All right? Next, down here, in order to know what to do down here at the bottom of your page, you need to read this sentence. Read the sentence and do exactly what it says. And then have mom or dad, grandma, grandpa, have them look at it and see if you did the correct thing. All right? That's your phonics seat work page. Okay. Next thing we have is a writing page today. We are going to do both sides of our writing page today. Write very neatly, please. All right? I want you to read the sentence. This has 2 names in it because they both start with a capital letter. Make sure you put the period at the end of your sentence, okay? So read it, trace it, write it here in number 2. Read the sentence in number 3, trace it, don't forget your question mark, and write it on line number 4. Nice and neatly. On the back, you have 2 more sentences. Read those sentences, trace them, and write them on the lines below. Good job. And you can go back if you want to, always, and color the picture after you're done writing. If you want to do that, you don't have to, but you can. All right? That is our writing and lesson today, our writing and phonics lesson 125.